Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to print the double-sided on Mac. Let's say suppose this is the PDF file that I need to print. So I will double click it to open in the preview software. So once it is open, I can click on this file menu, and within the file menu, I have this option which says print. I can also use the keyboard shortcut which is Command P. So once I open, it will open the print preview mode. From here, you can select the printer. Currently, I have a dummy printer setup, so I have just selected that. And once you select it, you would be able to see this double-sided option which is currently turned off. So what I can do is I can switch to on. Once I switched on and give a print command, it will automatically print the paper on that particular printer in double-sided. This was about the preview option. So similarly, you can also do in the Safari browser, open any web page that you want to print. You can use the keyboard shortcut, or you can use this file menu and print option. So let me use the keyboard shortcut here, which is Command P, which will automatically open this print preview. Once I open the print preview, again select the same printer that you want to print on, and then you can choose the double-sided is on and hit on this print command, and automatically it will print. Now on the third option, which is Chrome, it is a bit different because Chrome has a different UI. So if I just go and press the Command P here, it will open this print preview mode in some different view. So here I can just expand this more settings, and here in this more settings, I have this option which says two-sided. I can just enable this checkbox, and here I can see I have the flick on the long side or short edge. So I can just select the long edge, and then I can just give a print command, and it will automatically start printing on the selected printer. So in this way, you can print double-sided on a Mac computer. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.